Welcome to Knowledge Hub. Today we're exploring an intriguing survival scenario. Could you survive for a couple of minutes in a leaky spacesuit? Space is an incredibly hostile environment. In the vacuum of space, there is no air to breathe, temperatures fluctuate wildly, and radiation levels are high. However, contrary to dramatic depictions in movies, you wouldn't instantly freeze or explode. If your spacesuit were to develop a leak, the first concern is the lack of pressure. The vacuum of space causes body fluids to vaporize and gases to expand. This leads to swelling, but your skin would prevent you from bursting. The most immediate threat is hypoxia, or lack of oxygen. Without it, you'd lose consciousness in about 15 seconds. Brain cells start to die within minutes without oxygen, making quick action essential. ## survival window. In theory, you could survive for up to a minute or two in a leaky spacesuit if the breach is not catastrophic. Quick emergency procedures, such as sealing the leak or using backup oxygen, could buy you crucial extra time. 1. Suit repairs. Astronauts are trained to handle minor suit leaks with repair kits designed for quick fixes. 2. Return to safety. The priority is to return to the spacecraft or a safe environment immediately. Space missions include protocols for such emergencies to minimize risk. ## conclusion. While the idea of surviving a few minutes in a leaky spacesuit might seem plausible, the reality is that it requires immediate and precise action. Astronauts undergo extensive training to handle such emergencies, but the margin for error is extremely slim. Thank you for joining us on Knowledge Hub. Stay tuned for more insightful explorations into the wonders and challenges of space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content.